How to use the blog editor in Squarespace. So in order to open that, just click on this edit option onto your blog, and as you can see, we have in here this. So for example, we have in here our blog post settings. We have the content wherein you can just add your image. So let's head over and remove this image and let's add a new one. So for example, for this one, let's choose this, and then this will be uploaded, and you can also put in here an excerpt for this particular image. Now from in there, head over to the options and you can change out the status, the tags, categories. You can also allow comments, and you can also feature this post. For the SEO, you can head over and add in here the metadata, SEO title, as well as description. So let's save that for now. Now in here, we can have in here the title as well as a paragraph. So just head over and put in here your title, and we have in here the paragraph. So as you notice, we have in here this three paragraphs option. You can head over and then just edit it out according to your liking as well. Now, as you can see, we have this one, two, three, and we also have this plus right here. This indicates the difference in spaces for each paragraphs. So if you want, you can click on this another plus, and you can add in here any audio, text, or any elements that you can see right here on your screen. So that's how you use the blog editor in Squarespace. Hope we helped.